Hello, welcome today for the second lesson on indices. The last lesson, lesson 1, we looked at the introduction on indices. We also discussed the multiplication law, which was the first law. In this lesson, we are going to look at the second law, and the second law is division law. Division law of indices. We shall begin right away. Let us consider a simple mathematical expression, say y power 6 divided by y power 4. We are doing division, therefore our sign here is division, and it is division of indices. We have the powers there. So how can you handle such a sum? In general way, in the normal way, we know that if you have division, it is the same as y all over 6 all over y power 4. That means division. What does this mean? This implies that if I expand it, I'll have y by y by y by y by y by y 6 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then all over y by y by y by y 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, because it is raised to power 4. Now simply I will cancel them. Y goes with y, y goes with y, y goes with y. So what do I remain with? I remain with only y multiplied by y in the numerator. Denominator cancels out everything. So we have y by y, which is the same as y power 2. So in simple terms, we are saying that if you have y power 6 divided by y power 4, what do you get? You get y power 2 when you go the longest division. But what do you do when you want to save time? For example, this law is supposed to give us a shorter way to solve this particular sum, because this is going a longer way. So what can I do to y power 6, y power 4 to get y power 2? I will just do the subtraction. 6 and 4, if I subtract, I will get 2. So in simple terms, it is the same as y power 6 minus 4, you get y power 2. Y minus 6, y 6 minus 4, the same as y power 2. So when I subtract the numerator, the powers I mean, you get the same thing. So it's in simple terms, we can say if you have the division and the bases are the same, you simply subtract the powers. So if I subtract the powers, I'll get 2, and if I go the longer division, I will also get 2. So that means, in general, we can say when dividing numbers in index form with the same base, subtract the powers. You can just write down and say, when dividing numbers in index form, with the same base, remember the bases must be the same. With the same base, what do? Subtract. Simply subtract the powers. Remember, in the previous lesson we said when we are multiplying the same bases, we add the powers. Now in division, we subtract the powers. Let us take one example here, one or two example. Solve, say 5 power 7 divided by 5 power 5. What do you do here? Solution. This is very long. If you start multiplying 5 by 5 by 5 up to 7 times, and again dividing 5 up to 5 times, it becomes very long. But when you know the law, the division law, same basis, you simply subtract the powers. So this is the same as 5 power 7 divided by 5 power 5 is the same as maintaining the base, and then 7 power 7 minus 5. This gives you 5 power 2, which is the same as 25. So we have solved it in a very short time. So in general, if you have any number a raised to power n, divide it by any number, the same number m raised to power m, what do? You simply maintain the base and subtract the powers. That is according to the division law. That is according to the division law.